Hello everyone, today we're going to be having a look at how you can convert views to PDF in ASP.NET MVC with IronPDF. As you can see, I've already installed IronPDF and its MVC extension. And for those of you who haven't, you can install it now using the NuGet package manager. So now let's start with our personal model class. So if we take a look at our personal model, we can see that we have got 4 properties. The ID is our unique identifier, making sure that no two people get mixed up. Next, a name represents the person's full name. Then we have a title, which gives us prefixes. And finally, a description detailing their role. So next, let's navigate to the home controller. We're setting up a sample list of persons, Alice, Bob, and Charlie. All 3 are tagged as software engineers. Our application checks the request type to decide when to generate a PDF. Spotting a post request, that's our go-ahead. And next, we specify our views path and initiate the Chrome PDF renderer. This tool harnesses Chrome's rendering might, ensuring top-notch PDF quality. The real magic is the render view method. It takes our list, combines it with our view, and there you go, we've got a PDF. And finally, we gear up to serve this PDF to the user. So let's move on to our view. Here we simply have a form that posts back to our person's action. When the print person button is clicked, our controller's post logic is triggered, leading to the PDF generation. So lastly, for easy navigation, we've added a link to our person's action in the layout CSHTML file, and here you can see the code. All right, let's run the project and see it in action. So this is the ASP.NET MVC website. Click on the persons option in the nav bar, and now when we click on the print person button, it'll create and download our PDF file. See, there we go, the PDF's downloaded, so let's open it up and have a look. And there we go, that's our output, a PDF with details of Alice, Bob, and Charlie. And that is how you convert views to PDF in .ASP.MVC using IronPDF. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, we've got a free trial for you. There's a link down below in the description, so you can just follow that to our site, sign up, start downloading our software, and experience it for yourself.